Kaseng hinyo treb Youth Council Education Cell menta ka janmiet ka arkulai trik unai tung kala penlong e ka jingeki ka bajai jai ha khandailat bankirshan e ka jingeki kaseng Janata Cockroach Party ha jantar mantar New Delhi kani ka jingeki ka CGP ka long bankirsha e ka jinglai tu jongki jingkali exam need dangshan ha kani ka jingeki lawan kirshan dang da kaseng hinyo treb Territorial Organization lani ka HITO Habakran ha kajing alang uba dan bok dekhar presiden jong kaseng HITO ula pendam jur ya kajing tho jong ume waker lingdo pakma ha Instagram ubala tho ba de ban siat yap ya ki Samla Pulit ki bayaki ha jantar mantar Delhi na kajing like tu ki jingkali jong ka exam need.
And we want to convey the message to all the youth of India. Let us stand united, stand as one, like brother and sister. The NDA government, they give you tear of gas. Let's return them back with real tears. With our voice, aggressive, agitate. Because justice, you can't silence. Never, you cannot silence. When we demand our justice, you use a draconian law. Against who? Against the youth, the students who carry with books, not with guns. They have no arm, but still, what we got? Tear gas, lathi, what they did? Are they terrorists? No. What the NDA government did? We will not silence, but you provoke, you will see. The fire will lit from the state of Meghalaya. It will reach till the parliament in Delhi. The NDA government, what they did at present is unacceptable. This is not a game. Then you can play with the life of our children, of our brother and sister. If you really care for the youth, if you really care for the student, give the resignation. Otherwise, you will have to face the consequences, not only from the student, but from the youth of the nation. To shoot the students in Delhi when they protest. I want to send the message to the Delhi police. If they obey to this donkey, the police better start with him fast. It will be better if they want to shoot the student who agitate aggressively. For who? For the future of the country. At present, you can see even one child, she's scared that her future will be snatched. By who? By those dealers, or I can say the MDA government. Let us shout and demand the resignation of the education minister as demand. Like the Kohnguh Janata Party recently, they demand the resignation of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Education Minister. Let us shout 3 times. Education Minister! Down, down. Education Minister! Down, down. Education Minister! Down, down. We demand! We demand! We demand!